Welcome to Maths World. Differentiation, the most important questions. First question, if y is equal to tan inverse root of 1 plus x square plus root of 1 minus x square divided by root of 1 plus x square minus root of 1 minus x square, then find dy by dx. Solution, given y is equal to tan inverse root of 1 plus x square plus root of 1 minus x square divided by root of 1 plus x square minus root of 1 minus x square. Okay, then put this x square is equal to cos 2 theta. Put x square is equal to cos 2 theta. Then I want the value of 2 theta. So here cos goes that side, it becomes cos inverse. So 2 theta is equal to cos inverse x square. Again I want the value of theta. It is 2 into theta. If it goes other side, it becomes 1 by 2. So that implies theta is equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse x square. Okay. Now come to the problem. So y is equal to tan inverse root of 1 plus x square plus root of 1 minus x square divided by root of 1 plus x square minus root of 1 minus x square. So I put x square is equal to cos 2 theta. In the place of x square, I substitute cos 2 theta. So y is equal to tan inverse square root of 1 plus cos 2 theta plus root of 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by root of 1 plus cos 2 theta minus root of 1 minus cos 2 theta. That is equal to, we know the value of 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta, and 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square theta. So simply substitute tan inverse root of 2 cos square theta plus root of 2 sin square theta divided by root of 2 cos square theta minus root of 2 sin square theta. Observe, root cos square theta is cos theta, root sin square theta is sin theta. So that is equal to tan inverse root 2 cos theta plus root 2 sin theta divided by root 2 cos theta minus root 2 sin theta. Now in the numerator common root 2 and in the denominator also common root 2. Then we get tan inverse root 2 into cos theta plus sin theta divided by root 2 into cos theta minus sin theta. And root 2 will be cancelled, becomes 1. So that is equal to tan inverse cos theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. And from the problem, just common cos theta here. Tan inverse common cos theta. Cos theta into here 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So cos theta into 1, cos theta plus cos theta into sin theta by cos theta will be cancelled, we get sin theta only. So common cos theta, then we get tan inverse cos theta into 1 plus sin theta by cos theta divided by, here also common cos theta, 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. That is equal to tan inverse cos theta will be cancelled, 1. So tan inverse 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. So 1 plus sin by cos is tan. So tan inverse 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. Now continue in the next page. Okay, this is the second page. The first problem is continued. That is equal to tan inverse 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. We know the formula. Tan 45 plus theta, tan 45 degrees plus theta is equal to 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. So in the place of this tan inverse 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta, we can take this one. And pi by 4 means 180 divided by 4 is 44. So in the place of 44, I am taking pi by 4. So that is equal tan inverse, so tan pi by 4 plus theta. And here tan inverse means 1 by tan into 10, tan will be cancelled, 1. So tan inverse of tan pi by 4 plus theta is equal to pi by 4 plus theta. So what is the value of theta? In the beginning of the problem, I told put x square is equal to cos 2 theta. I want the value of 2 theta. Is cos, if goes that side, it becomes cos inverse. So 2 theta is equal to cos inverse x square. And the value of theta is equal, here it is 2 into theta. If it goes that side, it becomes 1 by 2. So theta is equal to 1 by 2 into cos inverse x square. So theta is equal to 1 by 2 into cos inverse x square. So please substitute theta is equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse x square. You got it now? Pi by 4 plus in the place of theta I am taking 1 by 2 cos inverse x square. That implies, so y is equal to pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 cos inverse x square. How could we get the value of y is given here tan inverse so and so. Just after solving step by step, we got the value of y as pi by 4 plus half cos inverse x square. Okay, now find derivative of y. That implies dy by dx is equal to derivative of d by dx of pi by 4 plus half cos inverse x square. We got this step. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of pi by 4 plus half cos inverse x square. And also we know the derivative of two terms in between. Derivative of d by dx of u plus v is d by dx of u plus dv by dx. du by dx plus dv by dx. So take derivative for these two terms in the bracket. So that is equal to d by dx of pi by 4 plus d by dx of half cos inverse x square. Pi by 4 is nothing but 45 degrees. It is constant. The derivative of constant is 0. D by dx of pi by 4 is 0. So 0 plus you bring this half outside. So half into 0 plus, so half into d by dx of cos inverse x square. 0 plus half into d by dx of cos inverse x square. That is equal to 0 plus any number, that number only. So half d by dx of cos inverse x square, we got this. That is equal to, here don't confuse, we know the derivative of d by dx of cos inverse x is square minus 1 divided by root of 1 plus x square. Derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 divided by root of 1 plus x square. In the place of x, it is x square whole square is x power 4 we are getting. And derivative of the inner term x square, it is 2x. So half into d by dx of cos inverse x square is equal to half into minus 1 divided by root of 1 plus x power 4 into 2x. Here 2 will be cancelled, minus 1 into x minus x divided by, that is equal to minus x divided by root of 1 plus x power 4. And be thorough with the formulas. It is very easy, this chapter is. For further videos, please subscribe Maths World YouTube channel. All the best.